name's Doug. I've run Tree Solutions for 15 years now. We're doing rural work and urban tree removals as well still. We're now servicing the mid-north coast region, so anywhere from Port Macquarie to Newcastle, inland to Gloucester. Since we've moved to the mid-north coast, we're working a lot more rural environments. We're doing more felling. We're doing habitat installation, possum boxes and hollow logs and things as well. So we've got a JCB 5.5 tonne excavator now. The primary reason we picked it up was to run the Fecon mulcher, and that's going to help us with our asset protection zones, fire breaks, general vegetation management. It's definitely going to speed up the way that we operate. It does the work of 10 blokes or more. Just being able to mulch trees in situation rather than having to take them out to wood chippers all the time and accessing them on the sloping terrain and bank sides and things like that. It just speeds up the whole process of tree removal for us.